Alright, got my C-clamp in the pump. We are using a big socket like this to hold there to put the end of the C-clamp on like that. And I'm going to shoot the little bearing in there. We're going to see if we could set this just like that. Sorry everybody. Usually my kids help me do this and they're not here. I'm just going to put it up on here and be done with it. Alright. I'll hold it up on an angle so you could see. Take a little synthetic grease the bearing, grease a little bit of the inside there, and before you want to press this thing in like what we're going to do now, it is totally okay to take a block of wood and get it, not a block of wood, but just take the socket and the wrench evenly across and start it. And that's it. That's all you really want to do. Okay, now we're going to push it in. Socket. There it goes. It goes right in just like that. It helps if you have the thing straight. There it goes. And do it a little bit at a time. There it goes. Pushes it right in. As you can see, once you get it going, there you go. Loosen the clamp. So, there you go, kids. That bearing is totally seated. Now what we're going to do is we're going to push it in just a little bit more. Seadoo calls for it the back bearing 2 millimeters, the front bearing 1 millimeter in, to allow oil to get past this bearing and to lubricate the seal. That's very important, because if you don't get oil on that seal, well, guess what? You're pissing in the wood, kids. And that's basically what happened to the back of this thing, and that's why we're taking it apart 3 times. Second time, I don't know. I've done this once before. That's all I know. So now we need a socket to extend the jaws. Nope. It's too big. Too small. Use one of the old bearings to match up. This is our one. This is our huckleberry. It's 11/16. So loosen the clamp. Make room for the socket. It's back in here like so. And I know you gotta be an octopus, but you gotta do what the day calls for. Thought we had it, kids.